Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to turn on Meta AI on Instagram. So first is you have to open your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you have logged in to your Instagram account. And now that you're here, just have to click on this messenger icon at the top right hand corner of your screen and then just click on this pen icon to create a new conversation. This one at the top right hand corner, and then just have to select your recipient. So once you're here, just have to use the message box. And what you're going to do next is you have to type out at Meta AI and you have to send it. So after that, if Meta AI is available on your device or on your account, you'd be able to access it or use it right here. But if you cannot find it right here, or if you cannot turn on the Meta AI on the Instagram app, next thing that you should check is make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app. So just go to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. And if you find an option where it says update for Instagram, is make sure to download the latest versions. You'd be able to turn on the Meta AI. And of course, you have to take note that Meta AI is not available in all country or in all user on Instagram. So you just have to wait until the Meta AI feature will be available in your country or in your account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.